So today we'll be talking about the associative and distributive properties of multiplication. To start, we'll start with the associative property. So the definition of the associative property is A times B times C with B and C in parentheses is the same as A times B in parentheses times C. So what happened here with this definition is A and B were regrouped together. So instead of B times C, we're going to do A times B first. So what this means is that it doesn't matter what order we multiply in. So I can do it B times C or A times B. So to demonstrate this example, we're going to multiply 20 times 15. So we're going to start with 20, and then we're going to factor 15 into 3 times 5. Now, we're going to regroup this into 20 times 3 times 5. And then we're just going to multiply this out straight across. So then we end up with 60 times 5, which equals 300. And to check our problem, we're going to work this out in the standard algorithm. So what we're going to do is we're just going to do 20 times 15. So we have 20 times 15, and then we're going to do 5 times 0, which is 0, and then 5 times 2, which is 10, 1 times 0, which is 0, well, we've got to add our extra 0 first, then we're going to do 1 times 0, 0, and then 1 times 2, 2. And when we add this together, we get 300, which is the same as our answer over here. So this demonstrates the associative property. Now the distributive property is different. So the definition for the distributive property is A times B plus C in parentheses equals A times B plus A times C. So what happened here with this definition is the A was distributed to the B times C. So really, what's the same as this is if we added B and C together, our answer would be the same if we just multiplied it. Or we could distribute our A to our B and our C before adding it. So a way to demonstrate this is 5 times 99. So we're going to take our 5, and then to make this easier to work with, we're going to write it as 100 minus 1, because multiplying these numbers is easier than multiplying 5 times 99 for some people. So we're just going to multiply this out, or distribute our 5. So we're going to do 5 times 100 and 5 times 1. So we've got 500 minus 5. And that gets us 495. Then to check our answer, we're going to do the same thing we did over here with the standard algorithm. We're going to do 99 times 5, which is going to get us 45 and 45. And then when we add that together, we get 495, which is the same as our answer over here. And that is the associative and distributive property of multiplication.